Courial Driver Review. Is it worth signing up or not? I'm going to show you whether it's worth the drive or not. Coriel is a delivery platform that's trying to set itself apart from typical gig apps like DoorDash or Uber Eats. Instead of limiting you to food orders, Coriel focuses on anything and everything delivery: packages, groceries, documents, errands, and even vehicle transport in some areas. The idea is simple: more delivery types mean more ways to earn. Drivers, called Coriels, can use a car, bike, scooter, or even walk, depending on the type of delivery. Once you're on the app, you go online, wait for job offers, and decide which ones to accept. Each offer shows what you're delivering, the pick up and drop off locations, and how much it pays. You keep up to 80% of the delivery fee and 100% of your tips. There are also bonuses for wait times and heavy packages in some markets. One of Coriel's biggest selling points is flexibility. You choose when and where you want to work, with no fixed schedules or hourly minimums. Deliveries are often local, so you don't have to drive far between jobs, and the app lets you plan routes that fit your availability. Coriel also markets itself as a more driver-friendly option. They emphasize transparency in payouts and promote themselves as a company that treats drivers like partners rather than just numbers in an algorithm. Now, let's talk about what sets Coriel apart. First, the variety of deliveries can help reduce downtime since you're not waiting for just one type of order. Second, in active cities, the app offers steady earning potential, with some drivers reporting averages around $25 to $30 per hour. Third, Coriel's pay model is simple: no hidden surge pricing or confusing mileage formulas. What you see is what you get before you accept the job. That said, the experience isn't perfect. Availability heavily depends on your area. In smaller or newer markets, job offers can be few and far between, leaving drivers waiting long stretches between deliveries. Some users also report that while Coriel says you keep up to 80% of the fee, the breakdown isn't always clearly explained in app. Another common concern is customer support. Responses can be slow, and issue resolution isn't always consistent. You also need to treat Coriel professionally. Once you accept a job, you're expected to follow through. Canceling last minute or showing up late can affect your standing and limit future offers. And because it's still growing, not every city has the same level of organization or demand. As for ratings, the Coriel Partner app scores about 4.1 out of 5 on the App Store, with many drivers praising its user-friendly design and earning potential in busy areas. On independent review sites, feedback is more mixed, averaging closer to 2.5 or 3 stars, with some drivers satisfied with pay and others frustrated with limited availability or inconsistent communication. Overall, Coriel's concept makes sense. It's a more flexible, open-ended delivery platform that tries to fix the biggest frustrations in gig work: low pay and lack of respect for drivers. When it works well, drivers enjoy bigger payouts and less chaos compared to fast food delivery apps. But it's not a guaranteed moneymaker, especially if your city isn't fully active yet. So, is Coriel worth signing up for? It depends. If you live in a busy market and want a side gig that rewards reliability and variety, Coriel can be a great addition to your delivery lineup. But if you're in a slower area or need a steady, predictable income, it might not meet your expectations just yet. Courial Driver is a flexible, fairer gig platform with real potential, but only if your market's active and you treat it like a business, not a backup plan.